Welcome to our channel. Today, we will explore the important topic of what is considered halal, permissible, and haram, forbidden, in marriage and sexual relations according to the Quran. Understanding these guidelines can help prevent zina, unlawful sexual relations, and contribute to creating a better society for both men and women. It can 100% stop both men and women from zina. If you find this content valuable, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Let's dive in. In Surah An-Nisa, verse 24, Allah outlines the lawful women for marriage. The verse emphasizes the importance of seeking marriage with the intention of chastity and not unlawful sexual relations. It also highlights the importance of giving the due dowry, mahr, to the wife. And also prohibited or haram to you are all married women who are in nikah of other men except those you have done nikah between you and them and rightly possess. This is the decree of Allah upon you. And lawful to you are all others beyond these, provided that you seek them in marriage with gifts from your property, desiring chastity, not unlawful sexual intercourse. So for whatever you enjoy of marriage from them, give them their due compensation as an obligation. And there is no blame upon you for what you mutually agree to beyond the obligation. Indeed, Allah is ever knowing and wise. This verse clearly outlines who is permissible for marriage and emphasizes the importance of lawful relationships. Now, let's look at who is forbidden for marriage. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. In Surah An-Nisa verse 23, Allah says, "Prohibited to you for marriage are your mothers, your daughters, your sisters, your father's sisters, your mother's sisters, your brother's daughters, your sister's daughters, your milk mothers who nursed you, your sisters through nursing, your wives' mothers, and your stepdaughters under your guardianship born of your wives unto whom you have gone in. But if you have not gone in unto them, there is no sin upon you. And also prohibited are the wives of your sons who are from your own loins, and that you take in marriage two sisters simultaneously, except for what has already occurred. Indeed, Allah is ever forgiving and merciful." This verse lists the women who are forbidden for marriage for every man due to close kinship or other specific reasons. It includes direct relatives like mothers, daughters, sisters, and others who are considered mahram, non-marriageable kin. In Surah Al-Baqarah verse 223, Allah says, "Your wives are a place of sowing of seed for you, so come to your place of cultivation however you wish and put forth righteousness for yourselves. And fear Allah and know that you will meet Him. And give good tidings to the believers." This verse emphasizes the permissibility of sexual relations within marriage, highlighting that spouses should approach each other with mutual respect and the intention of righteousness. If you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. In Surah Al-Isra verse 32, Allah says, "And do not approach unlawful sexual intercourse. Zina, indeed, it is ever an immorality and is evil as a way." This verse clearly prohibits unlawful sexual relations. Additionally, it is important to note that the wives of other men are also haram, forbidden, for every other man, and this applies to women as well. For every woman, only her lawful husband is halal, permissible, it means except her own husband, all other men are haram for a married woman, wife. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you truly believe in the power and impact of Allah's words and verses, then you can be assured that they have the strength to prevent both men and women from committing zina, unlawful sexual relations, completely. By adhering to these divine guidelines, we can cultivate a society grounded in respect, piety, and righteousness. These values are essential for the well-being of everyone and help create a just and good society or culture. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.